Hello, dear users. You are at our install onboarding page, and let's review all the steps you need to do. Our extension works in Chrome and supports Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems. First step is enable webcam. Request camera access pop up. Just click on allow button. If you misclick or for some reason camera access blocked, to enable it, you should find the icon located right before the name of the site in the address bar. Click on it and enable camera. And you click on the reload to apply the permission. If you have enabled webcam and dialog camera access is blocked still displayed, that means that your camera is in use right now in another application. Please check your applications or another browser tabs and close that use your camera. Our next and fortunately last step is activation. Okay, we need to click on extension button and click on extension name. For easy access to the extension in the future, you can pin it and its icon will be added to the main bar. Okay, you have just enabled extension. Click on the same extensions icon to open app screen. Here you can change colors, images, or video as background. We offer free 7 days trial. So all you need to check the whole set of features is sign in with Google. Our extension works with hundreds of WebRTC-based video conferences. The list you will find below on our install onboarding page. Just go to your favorite site and enable the extension to use all the features you like. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel where we publish new content every week. See you!